And welcome back to the halftime report. Shares of Ford, they are tanking after its massive earnings miss, on pace for its worst day since all the way back in 2008. You can see shares are down 16.5%. Meanwhile, Tesla is rebounding following its worst daily performance since 2020 yesterday. Brenda, coming over to you. You own Tesla.
Sure. So I think, this is an incredibly volatile company with an incredibly volatile CEO. But at the end of the day, we own this stock because of their first mover advantage that we think they have in the EV space. EVs have come out of favor, partly because in the U.S. we just don't have the infrastructure in place to allow broader adoption. But I do think there are still sales happening. There's discounting happening. Elon talked about that on the conference call. But we like that, 2/3 of sales during the second quarter went to people who are new to Tesla. So I think there are still new buyers out there. I do think the aspirations for robo-taxi are a little aggressive in terms of the timing. If we look at Google's rollout of Waymo, which happened in my home market of San Francisco, it's taken a very long time, the better part of a decade to roll out. So rolling out robo-taxis nationwide seemed like that's a pretty aggressive aspiration to have, but nevertheless, we're owning this stock because of the opportunity in the traditional EVs, which we think is still there, just taking a pause right now.
Brent, coming over to you. You own Tesla as well. Brenda's mentioned in the call, there were some fireworks in the call. Elon Musk basically saying, if you're not a long-term shareholder, you might as well just sell now. By the way, that's the bell for Concerta. Also adding that they have a lot coming up. The robotaxi event, as Brenda was mentioning, on October 10th. We're hearing about that quote-unquote $25,000 Tesla, and then humanoid robots sometime in 2026. What did you think about what Elon Musk had to say? Are you a long-term shareholder or worried about the short-term volatility?
Well, I'm not. You're not in the stock if you're worried about volatility. You would just step to the side. I've been really clear that I felt, like three months ago even, I said the next couple of quarters are going to be murky. I wasn't sure why, when they had 4,000 cars that they sold extra, the stock runs from 175 to 240. And so I feel like as it relates today, people are focused on the lack of earnings growth. The revenue is higher. But this company is really to me, in the middle of two growth cycles. The reason why it has the market cap it does today is people believe in Elon Musk, and they literally single-handedly brought really the world into EVs with the 3 and the Y. And then I think that going forward, though, it's like all of those things you just mentioned, these new technologies, that's betting on the come. And so I think that's the balance with the stock. I think the stock's held up really well after this earnings because we all knew it was going to be bad. But as a bright spot, this time last year, they did about $1.5 billion in energy storage. That grew 100% to $3 billion. And so as I think through like Apple's services, how that was literally a tiny part, and now it's what, 27% of revenues. I think energy storage in the intermediate term is going to continue to be a bright spot while we as investors have to wait. But one thing to make sure, everything takes longer. And that's what Elon says it's going to come out now. It takes 2 to 3 years more. Takes 2 to 3 years longer, and so I think that's how you have to manage your position in that. Is nothing revelatory. I don't think it's coming out on 10/10.
All right, Tesla shares up just over 4%.